Well, all right. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back. It is Thursday. Can you believe it's already Thursday? You've already done like 3 full days. You almost have a full week of distance learning from home under your belts. I hope it's going well for everybody. Hope you're having a good time. Hope you're learning some things. I hope you are ready for some of the stuff we have today. There's some fun things in there. We'll have some new things next week. Mrs. Hodge and I are trying to stay very busy, keeping you guys busy and still learning the right things. All right. So keep logging on, keep checking out what we have. All right. And keep doing everything you're doing already. All right. But we're going to jump right into foundations. Today for foundations, we're going to go over our sound cards like we do. I have added some sound cards into there. We're going to do a page, some echoing, some repeating back to me on glued sounds or welded sounds. I know my class, you're gonna recognize them as things we've gone over before. Mrs. Hodges' class, just hang in there, repeat them, keep up, take a look. You'll learn as we go. We're all in this together. We'll figure it out. All right, you might need, today we're going to do some more dictation. Today we're actually going to do the sound cards, and then we're going to slide right into some dictation. I want you to get used to hearing those sounds, writing them down, remembering them. It's a little harder without having the visuals hanging up around the room like we have most of the time. But we're going to jump right in. So remember, letter, keyword, sound. I'll say it first. You repeat it back. Oh, but what I started to say was don't forget to get a pencil and your writer's journal. If you wanted to get a journal together just for foundations for dictations, that'd be all right. I don't know how much everybody has at home. So if you want to just get some extra pieces of paper, you can staple them together every day or paper clip them, or you can just use your writer's journal that you already made. Completely up to you. All right. But I hope everybody's keeping up with everything. Send me messages through Dojo if you want to talk about anything, you want to let me know about anything. I'm pretty good about responding. Have your parents ask. But that's for another time. Let's get into foundations right now. Ready? Start with our vowels. Where's my cursor? A, apple, a. E, ed, e. I, itch, I. I lost my cursor. There it is. O, octopus, ah. And U, up, All right, let's try a couple different ones and see what we have here. We have X, fox, x. Try that one again. That was a tricky one. X, fox, x. Good. We have H, hat, h. We have M, man, m. See what we have on the next page. Oh, our digraphs. Let's see. Always the one at the end. Sock. Or sorry. See, I made a mistake. I know you're all rolling your eyes. Go, Mr. Sturgis messed up. CK. Sock. K. CH. Chin. Ch. As I'm saying, make sure you're looking at the letters too, so you can recognize them when you see them. TH. Thumb. Th. All right, here's our R-controlled vowels. Remember, they sound a little different when the R is at the end after the vowel. So we have AR, car, R. OR, horn, or. ER, her, IR, bird, and UR, burn, Make sure you're saying them out loud. Repeat it with me. I want you to, I know I can't hear you saying it back to me, but it's good practice. Here are our vowel teams. We're going to talk more about these lower vowel teams tomorrow. OU, OO, UE, and EW. Might be a little bit of a review for my class, but I don't think we talked about it for very long, but we'll talk about that tomorrow. But for now, let's start up top. AI, bait, A. And we'll jump around a little bit. OY, boy, oi. And how about OA, boat, O. Where's my cursor? There it is. Good. Now here are the welded sounds that I was talking about. We're going to do all of these right now. So for Mrs. Hodges' class, pay attention. These you might be the first ones you're seeing in a while. For my class, just bear with us and follow along. So AL, ball, all. AN, fan, an. AM, ham, am. ANG, fang, ang. ING, ring, ing. ONG, song, ong. UNG, lung, ung. ANK, bank, ank. INK, pink, ink. ONK, honk, onk. And UNK, junk, unk. Good. Now remember, you can go back to these videos whenever you want. So you can practice these other times. If you're trying to figure out how to spell a word and you recognize the sound, you have the video open, go check it out. You can rewind, fast forward, whatever you need to do. But for now, we're going to jump into our dictation. So if you have to grab a pen or a pencil and something to write on, why don't you pause the video right now and go get that? Because I'm just going to jump right into it and get this recorded, get this posted, and get you guys ready for the day. So our first sound is going to be qua. Qua. So I say the sound, you say it out loud to yourself, repeat it out loud, and then think about what letters you would use to make up that sound. Qua. Second sound is ch. Ch. Think about those sound cards we went over. All right, for current words, first word is blender. Blender. Tap it out if you need to. That has a suffix ER on it, so you would say blend, blender. Number 2, ended. Ended. So you'd say end, ended. Because it has that ED suffix. I know it's hard to know the suffix sometimes when you can't see them. But as we're hearing them, you should be able to hear it. We practiced those sounds yesterday. Our review word, milk. Now there's no suffix on milk. Milk. Our trick word, I'll give you another second so you don't have to keep pausing it. Our trick word is where. Where are we going for dinner tonight? All right, and the sentence is, they checked all of the desks. They checked all of the desks. I hear a couple suffixes in there. They checked all of the desks. So take a minute, pause it if you need to, rewind, go back, listen again if you missed a couple. I'm going to click in about 10 seconds. I'm going to click the board. I'm going to show you all the answers so you can check when you're done. If you want to send me a picture of this when you're done so you see how you're doing with it, anything like that, by all means, send them all through Class Dojo. Ask mom and dad or grandma or grandpa. They can help you out. All right? And there are your answers. All right? So have fun the rest of today. Check out, we have some cool math things up there for some fact fluency. There's a cool little math game on there for a fact fluency check. It's going to be something you guys can do a lot of. Good practice for people who are struggling with it. Could just be fun for people that know it already. Could be, check it out. And then we'll have some more new stuff coming up for you. So have a nice day. See you later. Can't wait to see you guys again. And enjoy your Thursday.